Welcome back to day 6 of what we ate in a day from the recipes we found inside the Raw Vegan Bundle. We're prepping ahead, so this is the night of day 5, and we're blending up some of the buffalo ranch wraps that can be found inside Lissa's book, Hand Salads, which can be found inside the Raw Vegan Bundle, going on until May 11th. This is only here for just a few more days. So this is the night before. We're just going to get these wraps prepped, and this spatula, these trays really make this process super nice and clean and efficient. So we're going to just throw those in the dehydrator and then look at the delicious colors that we have inside this blender. Now this here is the sauce that we're going to be using to make the Thai vegan pancakes from Sky, and her book is called Classics inside the bundle. This is going to be a really interesting recipe. We were excited to make this, so we decided since the dehydrator is running, we have those wraps going all night long, we're going to make up the pancakes. So that way they can dehydrate overnight. We're going to use a little Napa cabbage. We're going to use some regular shredded cabbage. We've got some carrots. We've got some corn. And this is going to be a little bit of a prep work, like probably about the same amount of time as it takes to make the wraps. The wraps are about 10 to 12 minutes. And this here ended up taking right about the same time. I think we spent about 15 minutes on this. So basically, yeah, just shred up some carrot, get that corn off the cob, and then we're going to be adding our cabbages and just fluffing this up and then pouring that dressing on. And we're just using some regular angel hair shredded cabbage. It's already pre-shredded, so that's kind of handy. You just do the best you can. You work with what you've got and just do the best you can. This here is the Napa cabbage. Napa cabbage is delicious, definitely something to add into more of our meals. And I'd like to encourage you just the same. Just add some more Napa cabbage. It's really a nice texture. It's not a very strong flavor. So we're going to load this up with some of the Napa cabbage. And again, all of these recipes that we're showcasing during these What We Eat in a Days can be found in the Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle. And these are really fun. This is again, just a recipe that, gosh, we wouldn't have really thought of putting something like this together. So we're just going to fluff up and mix that mixture together, the corn, the carrots, and the different cabbages. And then what we'll do is, since we have our sauce blended, we'll just add our sauce. And once the sauce is added, then we can mix this together really, really well, make sure everything is saturated in that sauce. Now again, all these recipes can be found inside the Raw Vegan Bundle, which is going on till May 11th. Be sure to check it out by clicking the link down below. You definitely do not want to miss this bundle. These recipes are so good. We've been having so much fun making these, and I hope you've been enjoying these videos showing what we're making. This is raw food. It's just so amazing. So as you can see, Lissa just popped those down onto the silicone sheet and then just form them into like pancakes, just these patties. And these are just vegetable patties with a delicious sauce that will sleep in the dehydrator all night long. It's all about the prep work. So this is rough estimate. I put these timestamps in there because I kind of wanted to give you a feel of about how long it takes to do certain things. And these are just going to sleep in there all night long. Good morning. Here we are, the morning of day 6. We're going to blend up a smoothie. Now this here is the vacuum blender, which I do go over in my course, the Raw Vegan Kitchen Essentials. You got a special lid, you got a little vacuum pump, and you just pop that pump on top of the lid, and I'm going to let you hear the way that this sounds. It's not very loud, and it is an amazing piece of equipment. Now, as you can see, it sucks that rubber lid right down into the container. And what this is doing is it's sucking out any leftover air that is inside the carafe. So that way, when you do your blend, you're not blending air into the mixture. As you can see, it's not foamy. It's definitely going to be a lot thicker. This is an amazing addition to any raw food kitchen, or any kitchen for that matter, is a vacuum blender. Look at these smoothies. No air bubbles, no froth, no foam. Just amazing. Vacuum blend, because you're not blending in air into your mixture. Now, as you can see here, These aren't equal, but this is actually supposed to be for one person. This is the Bach on the Beach from Maddie B's book, The 5-Star Salad Revolution. Definitely amazing, but yeah, that's basically a one-person serving. All right, so here we are a little later in the day. It's time to do up some lunch. And this is really amazing stuff right here. This is the blueberry mint sauce, and this is going to be coupled. This is Sky's recipe that goes with the Thai vegan pancakes. So the blueberry mint sauce all over basically like blueberry pancakes, right? Amazing. All right, now it's time to pull out the old trusty food processor and make up a slaw. We're going to pair the spiced carrot and raisin side slaw from the Make It Raw 2 book, which is a collaboration book between Chef AJ and Lissa. This is a really cool addition to the bundle, an amazing book with all kinds of recipes, and as you can see, that food processor is invaluable. Now, I didn't show blending the sauce, but this is the sauce that goes with the slaw. Just mix it up real good and it is ready to go. Now here we pulled out the wraps. These are going to be for dinner. These are the Buffalo Ranch wraps. Those are looking mighty fine. And then look at our pancakes. Aren't these so much fun? Now, as you saw, it's just two different kinds of cabbage, corn, and carrot with that dressing. So it's definitely going to be hearty. I didn't really get too many pictures, so here's what I've got. I should have got the drizzle of the blueberry sauce, but these were really good. We just drizzled the blueberry sauce on it and just kind of folded them up and just ate them like tacos with our hand. And then the slaw, oh my gosh, summer staple. That's going to be a summer staple. I love that slaw. Again, these recipes in the Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle are really incredible. You're going to have a lot of fun playing with some new recipes. Okay, so here we are. It's after lunch. We finished up our pancakes and we're like, okay, we better whoop up the burgers for tonight. So, and of course, showcasing what we're showcasing here, you can put the combinations together however you want, whatever is going to be best for your day. But that's why we're doing these now, though. That way they're ready for dinner because these are going to need to be in the dehydrator for several hours. So as you can see, spatula, key piece of equipment with the food processor. I feel that the food processor for a raw vegan is so invaluable. There's so many things you can do with it. Like we just shredded up that slaw for lunch with a different attachment. Now we got the S-blade in there. We're making the burgers. These are the rare ground beef burgers from Lori. This is Lissa's mom's book, My Gentle Kitchen. And we're going to place these burgers in the Buffalo Ranch wrap. And Lissa's going to fancy up one of the sauces that that'll go with this wrap. But look at that mixture. Isn't that amazing? So we got our ice cream scooper coming in clutch. Makes it really nice to portion out whatever it is you want to scoop out. So it's pretty similar. And we're just going to flatten out these patties, kind of form them into burger patty shapes, and pop these in the dehydrator, and these will be ready for dinner. We will have to flip them one time though. And yeah, look at that. Isn't that fun? All right, we just flipped them, took them off the silicone dehydrator sheet and just flipped them over. It's been about 3 hours. Now what we're gonna do, it's been a couple more hours since they've been flipped. It is time to make the wraps and get prepared to go over to our friend's house. We do a game night once a month. And so we're gonna just make up these wraps and bring them over to her house for dinner tonight. Now I wanted to get one of these rolls in real time. So as you can see, just folding in the sides, kind of pushing everything down, folding the bottom up, and kind of like a little envelope, and then just kind of curling all that stuff back into it as best I can, giving a nice firm, but yet still slightly gentle, and you can feel the pliability of the wrap. It's enough to kind of give a little bit of a force, but you don't want to be too hardcore on them. But just roll these puppies up. Oh my gosh, they are so amazing. So amazing. Again, yeah, Lissa's hand salads book. Actually, Angelica, who we're going over to her house tonight, she's actually the one that coined the name hand salads because we were having burgers one one time out after a hike, and she's like, these are like hand salads. So we just were like, that's a really cool name. That should be the name of the next book, the wrap book. So yeah, be sure to check out the Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle where you can get this book. You can learn how to make these wraps, 33 wrap recipes in the book with the dressing recipes, the filling recipes. There's how to make cheese, how to ferment and make your own sauerkraut, how to sprout, all these things to add into the wraps. Now I'm just going to put this in a recycled date container. We've been using these containers for years just to throw stuff in. We used to get these dates, this particular brand at Costco. They did switch, but it works out so good. Look at that, packed in there.
This is what we're taking to our friend's house.
Now it's time to portion up these sauces and get dinner plated. We are hungry and ready to go. These sauces, I just want to say, oh my gosh, absolutely incredible. I really hope that you get the hand salads book so you can taste some of those. Oh my gosh, so good.
Yeah, look at that. Boom.
All right, we are plated up. Dinner is served. We got the stuffed mushrooms from Edith. This is in the appetizer book, exclusive to the bundle. An amazing addition to the bundle, that's for sure, because there's 41 recipes from 37 different chefs from around the world. Delicious stuff. Everybody's got different flavors and in different creations. It's just so much fun. Look at these wraps. All right, we are dinner time, and let's just dig into these.
The wrapper itself is the Buffalo Ranch wrapper.
Oh, okay.
Inside is my mom's beet burgers.
Oh, I just followed your mom.
Aw, yeah, so it's her ebook, My Gentle Kitchen. And we filled it with sprouts and deliciousness, and that's the sauce for the Honey I Love Mustard wrap.
All right. What a sauce.
Isn't it good?
That sauce.
Right?
Yeah. The sauce is amazing.
Yes, look at that sauce.
Man.
It's burger night. I mean, it's wrap night. It's good, right?
Yeah.
So tell us, my dear sweet friend, what do you have in the bundle?
I have an introduction to Yin Yoga course. It's Finding Stillness through Yin Yoga. And it goes over the major postures of Yin Yoga and has some Yin Yoga practices in there. A little bit about the history of Yin Yoga, where it started, where it came from, and how you can get started on a home practice doing Yin Yoga.
Right? And it's in the bundle.
And it's in the bundle.
So you can learn Yin Yoga and you can eat these wraps and you can make my mom's burgers and you can make, oh, what did you make? Can you show what you made?
I don't remember who made it though.
It's from Edith.
Oh, it's from Edith.
Edith. Look at that.
It's the mushroom
Stuffed
appetizer.
mushroom from the group ebook, which is exclusive to the bundle. You can't get it anywhere else.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Very exciting.
Thank you. This is so much fun.
Yeah, I wanted something I could make. I wanted something that I could make in one day. That I had most of the ingredients on hand for.
Very cool.
Yeah. So
All right.
it's good. I'm excited to have this meal.
What do you think?
Next level.
Next level. Look at that sauce. Mm. Yep, nothing like wraps with dear friends.
So as you heard, Angelica's got her course in the bundle as well. Be sure to give her a follow and go check her out. She's been a yoga teacher for over 20 years. She's amazing, such an amazing teacher. We're going to dig into these wraps. This has been day 6 of what we ate in a day from the recipes we found inside the Raw Vegan bundle. And be sure to click the link down below and get yours before it is gone. It's only here until May 11th. Now we've got some ice cream that Angelica made in her Ninja Creamy. I'm really excited about trying out one of these machines. This is just bananas and raspberries blended up into this real delicious ice cream. Always the best way to end the day. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you on the next one. Love you.